My precious child, I have shown you the path that leads to life. I have given you wisdom to choose between right and wrong, and yet, you often wander away from my voice. Do you remember Samson? I gave him strength that no man could overcome. I anointed him with power, but I also gave him a command, not to touch what is forbidden. He heard my words but chose his own desire. And when his eyes were blinded and his strength taken, he realized that every time he ignored my warning, he walked closer to his own destruction. My child, how many times have you done the same? When you knew something was wrong, and yet your heart said, just once more. You fell, and then cried out to me, asking, Lord, why did this happen to me? You see, I never turned my face from you. I was there when you wept in silence. I was there when your heart broke. When Samson repented, I heard his cry. His strength returned for one final victory, not because he was perfect, but because he was humble. And so, I tell you this today. I have forgiven you. I have given you new chances. I have opened doors again and again. But my beloved child, are you still repeating those same mistakes? Do not think my mercy means you can sin freely. My forgiveness is endless, but your choices still have consequences. The enemy knows your weakness. That same temptation that broke you before will keep returning until you conquer it through prayer. So stay close to me. Seek me in the quiet hours of the morning. Whisper my name when fear rises at night. I have not given you the spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. 2 Timothy 7. I know you're tired of waiting. You've prayed, you've worked, and yet doors remain closed. But child, the reason is not delay its preparation. You are in a season of hidden growth. Just as a seed must remain buried before it blooms, I am preparing you for what is coming next. Do not envy others. Do not chase what I have closed. When someone leaves your life, it is not rejection, it is protection. There are people who cannot walk with you to your destiny. Let them go. Trust my plan. Every storm you've faced, every delay you've endured, has been shaping your character, your faith, your patience. Remember these words and keep them close. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and he will make your path straight. Proverbs 3:56. Be strong and courageous, for I am with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. Do not worry about tomorrow, for each day has enough trouble of its own. Matthew 6:34. The more you trust, the more peace you will find. For faith is not about seeing the way, it's about walking when you can't see. I know your struggles. I've seen you cry behind closed doors. I've seen the nights you couldn't sleep. You whispered, Lord, do you still love me? And my answer has never changed. Yes, I do. My love for you is not based on perfection. It's based on your heart. Even when you fall, I am waiting for you to rise again. But child, stop returning to what broke you. Stop touching what I've told you to release. Because every time you go back, you delay the miracle that's waiting ahead. So pray daily. Guard your heart. Let gratitude be your shield. When you thank me in your lowest moment, heaven opens for you. Gratitude transforms pain into purpose and weakness into wisdom. I have plans to prosper you, not to harm you, to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. So don't give up now. You are closer to your breakthrough than you think. Walk with faith. Speak life over your situation. And remember, you are not forgotten. You are being prepared. My grace is sufficient for you. My power is made perfect in your weakness. I am with you in the fire. I am with you in the storm. And I will be with you till the very end. Type Amen if you believe, and share this message to remind others that I am still speaking